In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. So first this parentheses, 1 minus 7 gives us negative 6. So 1 minus 7 then times negative 6. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times negative 6 gives us negative 42. So 1 minus negative 42. Negative times negative gives us positive. So 1 plus 42, which equals 43. And this is our final answer to this problem.